Hello, superstar. Here we go again. Solving a problem of circles. In this case, they say find the diameter. So I'm going to underline what am I looking for. Diameter of a circle with a circumference of 21.98 feet. So I'm looking for my D. I don't know what it is. But I know that circumference equal to 21.98 feet. So they're talking about circumference. They're talking about circles. So we're going to use that formula. So remember, circumference equal diameter times pi. Okay? Diameter times pi. So here we go. I'm going to plug in the data I know. So C is 21.98. So I'm going to do that here. 21.98 equal D. And I know the value for pi. 3.14. We're using two decimals right here, approximately. Times 3.14. Remember what we talked about before about the one-step equation. So to get rid of that 3.14, so I can isolate my D and know the answer, I need to do the opposite operation, that's division. So I'm going to divide here by 3.14. And the other side, I'm going to divide by 3.14. Let's review something here because this is going to cancel. So 1 times D is D. By doing this division here, we're going to get our answer. Let's actually do it like we don't have calculator. So we can review how to divide those decimals right there. Okay? So I got 21.98 divided by 3.14. Okay. So let's remember this. When we divide decimals, we try to get rid of those decimals. So the only way is to time by tens, 100, and 1,000. You know that in that way you can move the decimal to the right and get rid of that decimal. So in this case, because I have two decimals here and two decimal here, I'm going to time by 100 both sides. So you're not changing actually the solution because when you do the same operation in both sides, you get you're gonna get the right answer. You won't change the whole thing. So we're just making the division easier to use. So we're gonna time by 100. So this is gonna be you're gonna move 12 here, and the decimal is gonna move 12 here. So now we have 21,098 divided by 314. Okay. So looking at this, I know this is going to go 7 times. So we're going to have 7 times 4. Actually, 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 7 times 3 is 21. So actually it's the same. So this is no remainder division. So 7. Here we go. So who's 7? Let's go back to what we're doing. These are my diameters. So I know D is equal to 7. In this case, we're using feet, so 7 feet. And that is my final answer. Find the diameter of a circle with a circumference of 21.98. And that's my final answer, okay? Okay, now we have a different kind of problem here. Is C 9.42? If you know that C stands for circumference, there we go. So you know that circumference in this particular case, 9.42. There's no unit here, so let's say those are centimeters. So centimeter. Find diameter and radius. Okay, once again, I'm going to use my formula. Let me fix this equal symbol here. Kind of creepy. No, look better. Okay, so we're going to find diameter and radius. Okay, we go. So I'm going to use my formula. It says C is equal D times pi. So I'm going to go 9.42 equal D times 3.14. We have done this many times, so you know you're going to divide to find out exactly how much is that. So in this case, let's review the division of decimal. I'm going to do it in this side here. Once I'm going to time it by 100. So I can get rid of the decimal point. Okay. Why I don't have decimal point? Well, just is this. Look up here. I turn by 100. So the decimal moved twice. So it's 142. And I did the same to 3.14. By 100 equal 314. Okay. So looking at this, I know 314 goes 3 times. Let's see. Every time 4, 12. 31, 4, 2, 3, 9. So this is no remainder. Yep. 3 times goes, so that's my diameter right here. So diameter is equal to 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter, we go, and then with the same, check. Now the radius. So for the radius, you need to remember that the diameter is double that radius. So to find the radius, just need to divide it by 2. So my radius is going to be 3 divided by 2, that's 1.5 centimeter. And here we go. That's my final answer for this problem. Okay? Remember, practice. Practice and practice. Okay? Watch the video again. Take notes, because that's going to help you to review. And ask questions. Remember, by asking questions, you get better at things. Here to support you, to help you. Just contact me. Okay? Bye-bye.